my breath. Breathing. On Great Motion, 1994. Untrusted countries then. Let's do it in birth. Thomas said, on this country. Let's start it. Let's begin. The island of Trace Word has some very treatments and Thomas and the girls train has we are Brandon Thomas, greatly the Brandon Thomas. Thomas and friend, weary the island of Billy Bee, Richard Thomas and his kids are rigged and trained ahead. Thomas goes to Bukoya's rearing. Thomas wants to go to Bukoya's rearing. The new train ahead of Thomas. We haven't seen how Thomas's first into the sport. Thomas responds to passengers with smaller extent. We have seen She was Rusty's hello and she was crossing. Hello, how are we doing today? This is me, because our favorite book description of Mary Bath. She said hello. Thomas was I can't live, I can't stand it, there was so many action, said Caesar Parsley. That's you, Thomas restored the pastors, Lotus Rosnay. Thomas was Rosnay. Yes, see, Thomas pastors, just in the block which one is into as well. I did, Thomas. I look for you. How are you doing? I'm fine, okay. Don't think it's going to get Thomas. The car shut the front. Are you ready? Yes, Bokoya. All ready, sir. Thomas and Bokoya was walking, jumping in the back for some time engine. Thomas's sister was watching the movie mainly crystal check. Thomas was at 90 minutes cross. Thomas was steam engine or dome engine. Engine, Nancy, the Newton brother, twin brother, Donald Douglas, brother engine. Thomas was surprised to that. Oh, unit on the road. It went to wait to Thomas on Mace was, said Rodier. Oh, well, how about how me? So Mrs. Swan, okay now. Thomas started to respond as he steamed just stumbling. Back to me, Thomas of Los Angeles. And very close, I did think somebody Andrew Luther. Well, no, Thomas, I want to steam back to the Los and saying it. Thomas, a steamer's that strong surprise picture. Hello, Bone, Steam, and Shimmers. I'm not sure to everybody, how would I do today? The ship on Merry Cross, a Merry Cross, she said, possibly. I predicted Thomas when I night, he said, possibly. And Julia left the Salvians and Thomas over the room and to know it tonight. And Julia's very nice and night, and Thomas. Shimmers was wrong, she said. Thomas and very cross and so many engines. Said the pictures and those nuts were storing their budget. Bookers wearing. That was fun. I need to see you at my school. I know. Goodbye now.